Welcome back to InSpire KC Driving School. Today, we're talking about something every Kansas driver needs to get right: exiting the highway smoothly. Exiting the highway starts before you reach the ramp. In Kansas, most exits are well marked a mile or more ahead. Use that time to prepare.
For example, the exit we're looking for is Donahue Road.
Exits can sneak up fast if you're not paying attention. The best exits start well before the actual ramp. Check your signs early, like a mile or two before, so you're not making last-second decisions. As you approach your exit, begin to slow down gradually. Perform safety checks in your mirrors before signaling that you are exiting the highway. You can then move onto the exit ramp. Most exit ramps in Kansas are designed with curves and signs that help guide your speed. Just follow posted signs and ease off the gas. You don't need to brake hard unless traffic ahead slows down. At the end of the ramp, you may hit a stop sign or traffic light. Be ready for it. Look both ways and make sure it's safe before merging onto the road. Most highway exits are on the right. However, some are on the left side of the highway. That's why it's key to read exit signs early. They'll tell you which side to exit from, so you can start moving toward the correct lane well ahead of time so you don't miss your exit. Smooth exits make for safe drives, not just for you, but for everyone behind you. It's all about staying alert, signaling with time to spare, and letting your speed drop naturally.
When exiting the highway, when should you begin slowing down? When the vehicle has moved onto the exit ramp. True or false? You should always signal when exiting the highway. True.